Hey there, YouTube. It's the Lucky Ditto, and in today's video, I have a bunch of tins right there, and this one tin right here. It's Black Friday today. Actually, it's the Thursday or the day before Black Friday, so it's Thanksgiving night right now. And at Target, they had 50% off all tins, but it didn't count for this one, so I had to pay full price for this, but it was $10 for each tin, which was freaking insane. So I tried to load up on as much as I could, but unfortunately I had a smaller paycheck this week, so I didn't get as much as I would like to, but 7 is quite a lot. Anyways, let's just get right into this. This is the treasure bin, like lunchbox thing. We have that, whatever that is, some plastic wrap. This is the, oh, look at that. It's the Shining Legends treasure collector's tin thingy. So I opened a, what was it, well, I opened 2 of these before. One of them was like the one with the Mega Gengar in it. Ooh, you get some promos. Alright, let's look at these. Right here we have, ooh, Latias. Oh, let's get a better look at Pikachu up there. And Latios, which is numbers 88, 86, and 87, which is pretty nice. Let's just put those guys back there. Alright. Let's see what else we get into this tin. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs of Shining Legends. We have our Shining Legends pencils right here, which are cool. And our awesome little stickers. We've got a Pikachu and a Mew. And a Shining Rayquay, Mewtwo, and a Shining Genesect. And a notepad for our pencils. Let's put these off to the side. And we have a little collector's album, which is pretty cool. Alright, those over there. And a nice little tin to store all of our cards. Alright, now let's get into the main reason you guys are here. The packs. Let's go. We have 1 Mew, Genesect, a Rayquaza, 1 Mewtwo, so we have 2 Mews. Alright, hopefully we can pull a Shining Mew. That would be insane. Alright, let's go. I love this set. I wish... Wow, that was loud. I wish I would have gotten more of this set, but 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. I just didn't have the money for that. Alright. Let's put our packs over here. I got my sleeves ready. Alright, readjust the camera here. We have Litten, Qwilfish, Shroomish, Golett, Purloin, Water Energy, Energy Retrieval, Super Scoop Up, Spiritomb, Reverse Hollow Golett, and a Yveltal Hollow. Alright. There we go. Alright, I'm going to readjust the camera real quick. I will be right back. Alright, there we go. After a quick camera readjustment, I'm ready to go. So we get another pack of Shining Mew here. Come on. Wow, the packs are really squeaky today. That's strange. Alright. There you go. Here's a code for you. Oh, bump the camera. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. Let's see what we can get. Get a Voltorb, Ekans, Pikachu, Totodile, Ivysaur, Bulbasaur, Fire Energy, Scraggy, or Scrafty, Damage Mover, Howl, Switch, and a Hoopa Hollow. That almost looked reversed for a second, but it's not. It is a hollow. Next pack, got a Shining Genesect. Open it from the top this time, can I? Nope. It's always from the bottom. Come on. Code. Keep that one. 1, 2, 4. Alright. We have a Pikachu, Stunfisk, Ekans, Breloom, Voltorb again, Fairy Energy, Pokemon Breeder, Electrode, Great Ball, Reverse Hollow Torkoal, and a Palkia Hollow. I already have a Palkia Hollow, but I'm not complaining. Hollows are hollows. So we have Shining Rayquaza, which I really, really want. It just looks amazing. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. See what we can get. So we have a Plusle, Stunfisk, Minun, Weasel, Scraggy, Lightning Energy, Incineroar, oh my goodness, Sophocles, Great Ball, Virizion, Reverse Hollow, ooh, and an Entei full art. Look at that. That looks amazing. Whew. Nice pull right there. I am loving that. Whew. Let me just clean up here. Alright, last pack. See what we can get. If we could get another pull to end this video off, that would be insane. One, two, three, four. 1, 2. We have Jinx, Ivysaur, Shroomish, Totodile, Bulbasaur, Leaf Energy, Liepard, Volcarona, Spiritomb, Liepard Reverse, and a Marshadow. Alright. That was a pretty darn good opening. We did get a full art GX, which I think is worth it, you know? 4 hollows and a GX full art. So yeah, that was the video. We also got these 3 Schwanky Danky promos. And hope you enjoyed. Peace out.